Today's video is sponsored by AJT Design. You can follow them on Facebook and Instagram at AJT Design. They make awesome key fobs for Toyotas. They also make some for the Wranglers. So if you want to check out if your car applies, I will link them down in the description box below. So go check them out. What's up, you guys? Welcome back, and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to finally be doing the first modification to the truck. This is a pretty cool modification and it's really affordable. So in the comment section below, let me know if you agree with me, if this should really be the first mod you do to this truck. In my opinion, it is. Let's go ahead and get to the install and I'll show you what it is. Alright, so for today's install, it is inside this right here. It is really affordable. You can check if your car applies in the description box below. I will leave their link to their website. I'm gonna let you know what you need. So pretty much you're gonna just need your key fob. You're gonna need a flathead screwdriver, and the rest of the tools are provided for you inside the bag, which is this right here, which is an Allen wrench. And they do provide the hardware as well. So this is their little card, and like I said, you can also follow them on Facebook and Instagram. Alright, so there's some of their designs right there. They do provide you a sticker, which is pretty nice. Here's another card if you need support or anything like that. This is going to be the actual part for the install, and believe me, it looks pretty cool. I'll show you when it's all installed and stuff, but look, check it out. So I mean, that looks really nice to me. Let's go ahead and get to the install. So first things first, you want to go ahead and remove your slider. There is a button right here on the side. So you push in, the key comes out. Super simple. Alright, now from here, you want to go ahead and get your flathead screwdriver. You see this little piece right here, that opening? You want to go ahead and stick it in there. Twist slightly, and it pops right open. Super simple. Don't be scared to do this. It's not going to break or anything. Super simple. So you're going to be saving some of these buttons, so make sure not to lose any of that. So on this part, don't get scared. It's super simple. Just flip it around. Comes right out. This is also how you change your battery, just to let you know. So there's the battery there. The clear gasket. So you want to go ahead and pop that out as well. That's how it looks when it's wide open. Alright, so now you want to go ahead and get your new key fob, and we're going to go ahead and start dissecting this. Alright, so this is super simple. It pretty much comes open already, and you don't want to lose that little button. So the side that says TRD is pretty much your back side from your old key fob. So we'll go ahead and put that one with that side. One that has the holes is of course the new front side. Alright, let's go ahead and start. So if you see where the AJT design, that's pretty much where the battery goes. You can check it out right there. That's the space for it. So there's the battery. Super simple. Pops right in. And go ahead and put that down. Now you want to go ahead and get this side. Just in case you forgot how it goes or something, you can always just get your spare keys and go ahead and pretty much use this as a diagram. I remember how I put it down, but I'm just letting you guys know. If you guys forget how it goes, just look at this, and pretty much this could be your diagram. There's like a little groove here, so you pretty much have to insert it sideways, and then it'll sit down. Alright, so there's that. Super simple, I'm telling you. Alright, now you want to go ahead and get your dust boot, this little clear gasket. Go ahead and overlay it, pretty much how it used to be. Inside the hardware, there is a little spring that comes in there, and the hardware provided. You just want to go ahead and set that up real quick. So the spring pretty much just goes in the hole right here, right there. And then the other side of the spring, would pretty much go right there. So when reinstalling this, it's super simple. I mean, of course you want to hold this button because of the spring, it will pop it out. So the two buttons closest together pretty much goes with these two buttons closest together, of course. And then the hold button, I mean the panic button, that's this red one, it pretty much goes on this side. So super simple to install. This pretty much pops all together. So once you have it pretty much almost laid out done, you want to go ahead and get the rest of your hardware that comes included, and also the Allen wrench that comes included. So I'm going to go ahead and screw everything back together on this. So that's pretty much going to conclude the install. So like I said, it was pretty simple. The only hard part was because of the spring. It does pop out, but that's pretty simple. So this is pretty much how it looks. There's a little, these are actual bolts, which is pretty cool. So there it is. And then I'm going to show you. Your key slides right in. Alright, so your keys are all back together. And just like before, you push it and it opens. Pops right in, no problem. Alright, so overall, honestly, for the price, this is pretty cool. One, it's gonna stand out because if, say, your friends have also another Tacoma or 4Runner, whatever kind of car they have, that they have the same key as you. If you guys ever lay down the keys somewhere on the table or something, yours is gonna stand out. So I think that's pretty cool. Check out the difference. That's the front. So I mean, to me, this is probably like one of the coolest first mods you could ever do to this truck, or to any other car that does apply, that they do have the key fobs for. Like I said, they do sell different kind of parts, so if you want to go ahead and check their website out, it is in the description box below. And overall, it's pretty sturdy. It's good material. You can tell it's strong, so even if you drop it, I mean, I'm not going to on purpose, but yeah, I mean, all the buttons work. Open, unlock. So I mean, overall, like I said, it's pretty cool. So if you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And once again, go ahead and check out my friends. A link will be in the description box below. See you guys next time.